You are the passengers in a most uncommon elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of The Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and into a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. You are about to discover what lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of your imagination, in the Tower of Terror. Welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning, something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel in the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
We just got off the Tower of Terror, and as you can see, it's a thrilling ride. So we're on the Rockin Roller Coaster with Aerosmith, and here in a minute we'll be stepping into the studio with Aerosmith and going for a ride with Aerosmith.
Hey, don't mind us. We'll be finished in just a minute.
Hey,
What's that? Hey,
what are you guys still doing here? You were supposed to be at a show.
We're working.
Now.
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager.
Yeah, she's usually not like this, folks.
Yeah, she's usually worse.
I heard that. Where is my limo? Good. Okay, come on, guys. Please, get in the car. Sorry, folks. We gotta go. Come on.
Chris, can you grab my black Les Paul?
Hey, wait a minute. What? We can't leave these people here like this.
We can't?
No.
Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Send them all with you?
Yeah.
Wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes?
Oh.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, come on.
Make it happen. Give us some.
Okay, I'll make nothing. Now get out of here. I hate all of you.
See ya.
Come here anymore.
Hi, Sal, it's me. Listen, I'm gonna need a bigger car.
I see you did something
Make it a stretch.
inappropriate in his picture and they deleted it and it made him
In
mad.
fact, make it a super stretch.
So he
Great.
doesn't come back.
Excuse me. Okay, folks. Look, the show is all the way across town, but I got you a really fast car.
Oh, nice. Where is it?
Okay, wait, it's out in the alley. Hey, guys.
Hey, congrats on those backstage passes when I have literally never seen that happen before.
Hang on. That was the Rockin Roller Coaster. What'd you think, Margie? It was good? How good was it? It's good. We're off to our next adventure. We'll catch you on the next one.